What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be learning the fundamentals of drawing step by step by drawing Kissy Missy from Sprunki. Now we're going to begin today's lesson in the center of the page. We want to draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, and we want to bring that down towards the same height, and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center of each eye, starting on the left, going all the way around, and then back up, and we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of each pupil. Now along the top of each eye, we want to add 3 thick lashes. Let's start in the center of the left eye. We're going to go up, round this out, and come down. And we want to fill that lash in black. Let's move out to the side. We're just going to angle this up and then out, and come back in. Do the same thing on the right, and we'll fill those lashes in black. Let's do the exact same thing on top of the right eye, starting in the center. And add one more on either side, sort of aiming towards the center of the pupils. Now with the eyes complete, we're going to move down and draw the top of the mouth. Let's start underneath the left eye, then it's down in the center, and then up towards the right side. Let's round out the corners of the mouth. We're going to come around. I'm just going to trace the mouth along the bottom, coming in towards the middle, go up towards the right side, and then we'll round that out. Let's add a seam in the center of the mouth. We're going to start on the left side, coming down, and then back up. Now we're going to work our way around the side of the head. Let's start underneath the lip on the left. Just going to bend this out, and then up, and then we'll line that up on the right side, going up towards the same height. Draw a short angled line coming down and in. Let's add another point. We're going to go around the side of the head, and up towards the top. Let's add another point, coming down and in. And then we'll draw one more, going up towards the top corners of the head. Now let's close off the top with a curve. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this down in the middle, go across, and then up towards the right. Now we're going to come down towards the bottom in the center and draw on the bow. Let's start right in the middle. We're going to start with the left side, coming down, round this out, and pull that in underneath the head. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Let's trace the bow along the inside, starting from the top, going all the way around. Let's draw the bottom, starting on the left side, bend this out and then down towards the bottom of the ribbon. Let's flatten this off with a short line, and I'll follow that same curve going up underneath the bow. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw on the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left, draw a straight angle line, coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right side. Now the body gets wider as it comes down towards the same height. And we'll close this off. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And there we have it. There's our drawing of Kissy Missy as Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next one.